Welcome to Review Lab. The best ice machine is probably one of the most convenient appliances for any home, especially during hot summer days or when entertaining guests, as it allows you to quickly and easily produce a steady supply of ice without the need for constant trips to the store or the hassle of filling and freezing ice cube trays. Having a reliable ice maker readily available can significantly enhance your beverage experience, from chilled water and iced coffee to cocktails and smoothies, ensuring you always have enough ice on hand for any occasion, making it a valuable addition to your kitchen counter or bar area. Number 5. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Snow Cone Machine. Bring the fun of a snow day right into your kitchen with this electric shaved ice machine. It's perfect for creating all sorts of delicious frozen treats. This complete set comes with everything you need to get started. You can use your own ice cubes, bagged ice, or even make your own with the included ice mold cups. Go beyond just shaved ice. Use it to whip up refreshing margaritas, slushies, iced coffees, and so much more. It's a versatile addition to your entertaining toolkit. Designed for convenience, this appliance is simple to operate and plugs into any standard outlet. When you're done, it stores away easily, saving you counter space. Achieve the perfect consistency every time with the adjustable stainless steel blade. Whether you prefer fine snow or coarser shaved ice, you're in control. Its compact and attractive design makes it a great addition to any kitchen countertop. It's both functional and visually appealing. What we like? This machine is a versatile frozen treat maker, perfect for creating a wide range of drinks from margaritas to iced coffee. If you're looking for a complete set that includes everything you need to get started, including ice molds and a non-slip mat, this is a great choice. Its adjustable blade allows for customized ice texture, making it ideal for those who enjoy experimenting with different frozen concoctions. What people say. This ice maker is very quiet and makes ice quickly. It's also very compact and doesn't take up much counter space. I love how easy this ice maker is to use. Just fill it with water, plug it in, and it starts making ice within minutes. The ice it produces is small and perfect for drinks. Number 4. EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker with Handle. Enjoy fresh, crunchy nugget ice in as little as 6 minutes. This machine makes up to 34 pounds of ice daily, perfect for keeping your drinks perfectly chilled and delicious. Take refreshing ice anywhere with its compact size and sturdy handle. It's ideal for home, parties, camping, or your RV, ensuring you always have ice on hand. This ice maker alerts you when it's full or needs water. It also features a convenient 15-minute self-cleaning cycle for a safe and clean ice-making experience. Enjoy a quiet environment with operation below 50 dB. It's also energy efficient, saving you on electricity bills while you stay refreshed. Rest assured with ETL certification for safety. We offer a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support for your peace of mind. What we like? If you love the satisfying crunch of nugget ice and want it fast, this machine is for you. Its compact and portable design with a handle makes it perfect for home, parties, or even camping trips. The auto-cleaning function ensures a hygienic experience with minimal effort, making it ideal for busy individuals who want fresh, clean ice on demand. What people say. The ice machine is compact and fits perfectly on my countertop. It produces ice quickly and efficiently, with different size options available. The design is sleek and modern, and it's surprisingly quiet during operation. Number 3. MANBA Manual Snow Cone Machine Maker. Introducing the MANBA Manual Snow Cone Machine. It's designed for quick and easy shaved ice, perfect for any occasion. This machine crushes ice cubes into fluffy, snow-like ice. You can also freeze ice blocks with the included mold for all your favorite drinks. It features high-quality 18/8 stainless steel blades that are rust-proof and durable. With 3 precision-cut blades, it shaves ice faster and more efficiently. Enjoy shaved ice without electricity thanks to its portable manual hand crank design. It's easy to use, clean, carry, and store, making it ideal for parties or camping. The flexible silicone ice cube tray makes 15 perfect-sized ice blocks. They are easy to release for all your refreshing beverages at home or on the go. Create slushies, margaritas, and fun drinks with ease. This is your perfect companion for creating cool treats and beverages anywhere. What we like? For those who enjoy a hands-on approach and want a fun, electricity-free way to make shaved ice, this manual machine is a fantastic option. Its 3-blade system ensures fast and efficient shaving, and its portability makes it perfect for outdoor parties or camping. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, easy-to-clean, and portable solution for creating snow cones and slushes, this is the one. What people say. Makes ice quickly and quietly. The compact size is perfect for my small kitchen counter. Easy to use, just add water and plug it in. Number 2. Nostalgia Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine, Retro Red. Bring back the fun of classic snow cones with this retro-inspired machine. It's designed to make up to 20 icy treats, perfect for any occasion. Enhance your experience with our specially designed kits. You can use our snow cone kits, syrups, straws, and cups for even more enjoyment. Experience fast and efficient ice shaving thanks to its precision-cut stainless steel blades. They quickly turn ice cubes into fluffy, snow-like ice. This machine is a guaranteed hit at any gathering. It's perfect for birthday parties, BBQs, or any event where you want to serve cool, refreshing treats. Its perfect size fits easily on your countertop or a side table. For your safety, it includes a built-in switch for the shaving mechanism. Embrace the timeless appeal of our appliances. We offer unique, fun products that preserve the past while looking forward to the future. What we like. This machine brings a fun, retro vibe to any gathering, making it perfect for birthday parties, BBQs, and more. If you're looking for an easy way to serve delicious shaved ice treats that will delight guests of all ages, this is an excellent choice. Its compact size and safety features make it a convenient and worry-free addition to your countertop. What people say. This ice maker is incredibly fast, producing ice in as little as 6 minutes. It's surprisingly quiet, making it perfect for use in a home or office environment without being disruptive. The compact design makes it easy to place on countertops or store away when not in use. Number 1. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit S900A. Create fluffy, snow-like ice right in your kitchen with this electric shaved ice machine. It's perfect for making all sorts of frozen treats, from margaritas to iced coffee. Set up your very own icy treat station at home. This countertop machine is designed for easy use and cleaning, and it's portable for convenient storage. This kit includes everything you need to get started, including the machine, 3 delicious syrup flavors, cups, straws, and ice molds. You can use any kind of ice you prefer. Each syrup bottle can make about 8 snow cones, and the entire kit can produce up to 24 servings. You can easily adjust the flavor intensity to your liking. Our syrups are made with your well-being in mind, being free from common allergens like nuts, soy, wheat, dairy, starch, flour, and eggs. They are shelf-stable and ready to use without adding water. Beyond snow cones, these syrups add a delightful twist to cocktails, sodas, coffee, and more. Explore a variety of flavors to enhance almost any beverage or frozen dessert. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for creating your own icy treat station at home. If you want a complete kit that includes not only the machine but also syrups, cups, straws, and ice molds, this is perfect for you. It's incredibly easy to use and clean, making it ideal for anyone who wants to dive straight into making delicious, flavored snow cones without any hassle. What people say. This ice maker is very quiet and makes ice quickly. It is compact and doesn't take up much counter space. The ice it produces is clear and solid. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.